Hello, welcome to Marine Courses Center. Today we're going to talk about anchor part B. As you can see here in this picture, we have anchor windlass, and this anchor windlass is a machine that is designed to lower and raise the anchor. As you can see here, we have this, and this is called drum. Here you can notice that we have these two things is called anchor hand brake. And as you can see here, we have another thing called gypsy or cable lifter. Here, as you can see in this video, we have this gypsy or cape lifter, and this is a deeply grooved drum that is shaped and engaged lengths of chain cable. This cape lifter is consists of, as you can see here, we have this called gear cover, and here we have this called pocket, and this is called brake band, and this is called wheel, and we have this is called clutch, and finally we have this and it is called drive shaft. So this is the design of cable lifter. Let's talk about anchor terminology. First, as you can see here in this picture, we have this anchor and this called up and down. And the definition of up and down: when the cable has a perpendicular angle with the sea surface, that's meaning up and down anchor. Here, as you can see in this video, we have short stay, and short stay is when the cable is leading to the water close to the vertical near to the ship. Here, as you can see in this picture or in this video, we have a long stay, and a long stay when the cable is too long, stay when it is tight and leading to the water close the horizontal away from the ship. In this picture, as you can see here, we have a chain direction, and a chain direction have two directions. First, this is the ship and this is the anchor chain. So as you can see here, this anchor is leading to forward, so that's meaning chain direction leading to forward. And in this picture, when the anchor is being aft, that's meaning anchor chain leading aft. As you can see here in this picture, we have indication of cable direction. So here is 12 o'clock, and here is 11 and 10 and 9, and here is 1 o'clock and 2 and 3. You can find here we have this green, that's meaning on the starboard side of the ship, and here is red, that's meaning on the port side of the ship. So you can see when we have our ship like this, so if we have the anchor in this direction, that's meaning direction of cable in 2 o'clock, and when we have the chain in this direction, that's meaning direction of the cable in 10 o'clock.